When you need a shipping container, you don't have time for guesswork. You need quality you can trust, delivery you can count on, and a team that shows up ready to solve problems. That's where Container Bros comes in. We work with contractors, industrial and energy operators, commercial businesses, homeowners, government agencies, and disaster response teams, anyone who needs containers delivered fast and done right. From simple storage to fully customized units, we build solutions that work in the real world. Container Bros serves Utah, Idaho, Nevada, Colorado, Wyoming, Montana, Texas, and New Mexico, with access to major ports in Los Angeles, Long Beach, and Houston, and rail service through Union Pacific. With a delivery radius of up to 500 miles, we move quickly without cutting corners. Most of our containers are new, one-trip units, with custom fabrication completed at the factory level. Every container is seaworthy, airtight, and watertight, and CSC certification is available when required. Sales and rentals are typically available within 2 days. Custom units are completed in as little as 1 to 2 weeks, and in many cases, delivery happens the very next day. Pre-orders are available, so your project stays on schedule. All modifications are handled in-house: electrical, insulation, HVAC, windows, doors, and office build-outs, giving you better control, faster turnaround, and fewer surprises. Customers choose Container Bros for higher quality units, fast delivery, and a team that goes above and beyond. Call us today at 435-229-1433. If you need containers done right, delivered quickly, and backed by people who care, Container Bros is ready when you are.